Teachers Day celebrations. Let us move forward and start with a new topic, that is conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. They join two sentences, right? And have you seen a bottle of Fevicol? What does it do? It sticks to paper, or it sticks a paper with a ribbon, or it joins two ribbons. Same way are conjunctions. They join sentences and they are called joining words. We have 7 of them. We will discuss 7 of them in this class, and further we will learn about how to use them. They are and, but, or, because, after, before and when. After, before and when are time conjunctions. We will discuss later what are time conjunctions. And, but, or and because, how to use them, where to use them, we will discuss. And joins sentences that have a similar idea. But joins sentences that have a contrast idea. Contrast is something very opposite. Two ideas which are opposite to each other. Or joins sentences where there is a choice. Sometimes we are given a choice. When we are offering choices, that time we are going to use or. Because gives reason for an action. Whenever we have to use because, we have to remember we are giving a reason. You may say, I may ask you in the class, why were you absent in yesterday's online class? You will say, ma'am, I was absent in the online class because. What because? Because I was sick. So there you are going to use because. And how to use and? If I ask you the question, which food items do you like to eat? And quickly what do you say? I love to eat pasta and pizza. So you are answering to the question, what do you like to eat? What are the food items that you like to eat? And we are answering to the similar question. But joins sentences with contrast idea. How to use but, where to use but. Suppose I say, it is raining outside, but I can see the sun also. There we are going to use but. There are two contrast things. It is raining also and we can see a bright sunny day also outside. It happens sometimes. Or joins sentences that offer a choice. When there is a choice, I can say you that you may join the online class or see my video. So here I am giving you a choice. Out of the two things you can do any one of them. Maybe I tell you, mama tells you, you can eat Maggi or burger. So there is a choice which one item you can eat. Because gives us reason. Whenever we have to give reason, we have discussed earlier that whenever we have to give a reason to something, that time we will use because. Let's come down to time conjunctions. They are after, before and when. These conjunctions talk about time. How time? It can be present time, past time or future time. We all know past time is the gone time, present time is the now time, and the time that will come later, maybe tomorrow, in the evening, in the night time, that is the future time. These conjunctions we will use when we are joining two sentences where we are talking about time. After we can use, I can say, I will sleep after I finish my work. Please finish your work before you go to sleep. When? How can we use when? We can use when. When I finish my work, I will go out to play. So these are 3 of the conjunctions talk about time. Right? Let us discuss some examples and find out when and where to use which conjunction. Let us read the first sentence. I love to eat burger and pizzas. Here we are talking about a common action, that is love to eat. What are the two things that we love to eat? Burger and pizzas. So this is a similar idea which is talking about eating. So here we will use the word and. You can take a bus or a cab to the market. Here we are talking about two options of a bus or a cab to go to the market. So here what we are going to use? We are using or, because here we are getting two options to go to the market, that is bus or a cab. She is crying because she wants to go out to play. Here we are giving a reason. We know that she is crying. But why is she crying? Here we are giving a reason. She is crying because she wants to go out to play. So because is showing reason. Here we are showing option. And here we are discussing a similar idea. Right? I want to study but I am tired. He is telling here that he wants to study but I am tired. Two contrasting things. What? A child wants to study also but he is tired at the same time. He will play after he finishes his work. When will he play? He will play after. Here we are showing the time when he will go to play. He will go to play after he will finish his work. Please finish your work before you sleep. Here we are talking about again time. We are asking the child to finish the work and then only go to sleep. I scream when I see a lizard. Here we are showing that when do we scream? When do I scream? I scream when I see a lizard. Right? So we will further meet in the Google Meet class, discuss and clear our doubts. Thank you.